first female prime minister in Japan, the first 5,000 billion market cap NVIDIA, and a commercial truce for a year between the US and Japan. Welcome to Spot the Markets by Mercury Partners Academy for the month of October 2025. If we look at the main asset classes in October, the Nikkei topped performance for the month on the back of the new prime minister. Overall, very buoyant equity markets, and as we will see, most of the equity sector were also up. Having a look at those one, we see global tech and utilities being the top two performers for the month of October, followed by healthcare, with materials, financials, and real estate being down. In financial, there was a bit of a scare in the US by some regional banks posting non-performing loans, which overall was contained with other banks reporting good results. If we look at key equity markets by main area, Argentina, Milei won midterm election, and the stock market reacted very positively. In Asia Pacific, South Korea was the winner. In Europe, Finland, and in the Middle East and Africa, the United Arab Emirates was the top performing market. If we look at the main event, focusing on the last week from October to November, as I said, President Milei won midterm election, bailing out the US rescues of the peso. The Fed, as expected, cut rates by 25 bips, but they sent out a hawkish message by Powell saying that a rate cut in December is not a given. And then we saw, in a minute, we saw most of the companies beating expectation with a bit of a scare on AI spending. The previous week, Japan's parliament elected Takaichi as the first female prime minister, and gold has been a terrific performer year to date. In the previous week, tumbled almost 6% on Tuesday, which is the most since 2013. If we look at deals in companies, we saw Alphabet, Meta Platform, Microsoft, they all reported very good numbers, but they together reported 80 billion in quarterly AI spending, 80 billion combined, and then was sent some of those shares down despite the good numbers. If we look at some of the companies reporting for the week, this is taken from the Wall Street Journal. Meta was down 11% on scare on AI spending, whereas Alphabet share rose 2.4%. NVIDIA up 3%, hit 5 trillion or 5,000 billion market cap in value, is the first stock. Just to give you an idea, its market cap is bigger than the combined Qualcomm, AMD, ARM Holding, ASML, Broadcom, Intel, Lam Research, Micron Technology, and TSM, all combined. Eli Lilly on the healthcare sector was up almost 4% due to soaring demand for the weight loss drugs, and also Caterpillar posted better than expected results, being up 12%. If we look at the week ahead, on Tuesday, which is today, we have the JOLTS job openings, a key labor market indicator. And on Wednesday, we will have the weekly change in US oil stockpiles. At Mercury Partners, join our internship. We have 4 teams available: HR, marketing, digital marketing, and the financial team. You can see everything on our employment section at mercurypartners.net, and keep following us on our social media. That's all from me. All the best. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.